all the things I think of that I am. One day I'm great, one day I'm fat, one day I'm not good enough, one day I'm good. I'm just thinking that concept to me is just so flawed.
And so I feel for me, those are the tensions that we're having to determine is, what the university sees as successful and what they deem as truth. Whereas we come from a very different perspective, and what we believe is very different, and it doesn't often align.
This is where I started to realize there were terms and labels given by a Western feminist perspective that may not necessarily apply to my mums and my sisters and I, because we're quite happy being in those spaces because we choose to serve in that way, and it's our way of being a part of the family. Oh my goodness, I got slammed in that little discussion group.
So the importance of constantly navigating both being collective and individual, and that both are important, drawing from loving your neighbor and loving yourself. And that is, but we put collective first because as the self moves, it's for the greater good of the neighbors, the collective.
And Inez talked about this also, is that you are enough, that what you bring into the university is enough. And Ruth has spoken about this before, that you already come with richness, that you already come with so much more to contribute to a university or to academic spaces that lack luster.